Say good morning.
Good night. Oh, good.
You're still sleepy, Seth? I'm gonna take a picture. Hi, good morning, everybody. We just woke up. Me and Seth. Seth's so sleepy. You're still sleepy, Seth?
Look at the towel.
Oh, come on.
I need pillow.
You had pillow already. I told you last night if you want pillow. You said no. Still sleepy. Still sleepy. Just sleepy, Seth.
I'm not sleepy.
What?
I'm not sleepy.
You're not sleeping?
Yeah, I'm not sleepy.
Oh, I thought you're sleeping. What are you gonna eat, Seth? What do you need for breakfast?
I don't know.
You want rice and soy sauce? Cereal? What do you want? Come on. Say bye-bye.
Bye bye.
See you later.
See you later.
Whose computer is this? Scott's computer?
Yeah.
He let us what?
I will use it.
He let us to use it.
Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye everyone. What's that?
Mm.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. We're gonna eat now.
Gonna eat now.
Oh! That's hurt.
That's hard.
Yeah, that's hurt.
Mm.
Oh, I'm out. Ah! That's really hurt. Seth. Yeah, bye.